Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to create a cloud brush in Photoshop from an image. This is the image that I am going to use. It's a 4K and the width for the brush must be more than 2000 pixels. This cloud is surrounded by blue color, so it's just perfect for this work. So let's cut the part that we need, which means the cloud. Just follow my steps. This is what I need. So let's see the size for the white. Go to image size and you see more than 2000. Perfect. So let's go to adjustments and convert the image to black and white. So we have the sky with the blue color, so let's change the blue color to move it to the black, something like this, and work a little bit with the cyan to get rid of the white part. This one. Something like this. So go to adjustments and choose this tool to work with brightness to make the cloud more white. You can even make adjustments with contrast if you want. So let's select both of them and merge layers to merge them. So we are going to color these parts here with the black color and around the cloud too. So choose a brush. Let's choose the soft one or the hard one, doesn't matter. So let's change the size. I don't want to use a big brush. Works so good. So I'll change my opacity to 100% and start coloring these parts that you don't need. This part is very important, so let's work with the border tool to get rid of all other colors. It's look good, so let's go to adjustments and invert to invert the black color, which means this is how the brushes works. The background must be white and the cloud must be black. Now it's ready, so define your cloud, give it a name. And save it. It's okay now. So let's create a new document just to test our brush. Doesn't matter which size do you use. You see? So let's create a background, a solid one. I don't have time to create to use gradients in order to make a good or a perfect blue sky. just a tutorial. So choose the brush and we must create a new layer. Go to brush. I have my new brush selected by default. If you don't have it, so just select it and change the size. I don't want it to be so big. 650, perfect. Opacity is 100. So change the color to white. I want to use the white clouds, and voila, I have my cloud just perfect. Let's create another one and change the opacity to see how it's look much better. Let's change the opacity more. That's it. This is the way how to create your own brushes. Thank you for watching and have a nice time. Bye bye.